Well, hello there and welcome to my LinkedIn profile. I thought I'd make this quick video just to see if you are leveraging LinkedIn for your personal professional brand, and I thought I'd take you through a couple of things you can do in your own profile. So you want to make sure that in seconds you capture attention, because it's all about being visible, having influence and gaining establishing your authority. And there are ways you can do this with LinkedIn. So you want to make sure that you're visible by using keywords in your profile, by showing up and looking on brand. So you want to make sure that your profile photo up here looks like you. On a good day in business, the person you take to that new client meeting, for that job interview, for that stakeholder meeting, that's what you want to look like on LinkedIn. And then you want to have a banner or a background image that is a communication of your brand or what you actually do. So with mine, I've used a collage of images of me in action. So you can see I'm a speaker and trainer, because you can see I speak to large audiences. You can also tell from that I change my hair color frequently. So I'm fairly blue, and that's part of my brand, but often I will change and have a little bit of a holiday with red or pink. So that's in there as well, just in case on the off chance I have changed my hair color that week. I've also got logos in there. So I've got my YouTube channel brand, my organizational brand, my online program brand and book, an event that I run, and my speaker brand. So I've got all those lined up as well, so that people straight away know that they're in the right place. You want to make sure that the most important text on your profile positions you well, and that would be right up here, your headline. Make sure it's more than a title. So managing director, partner, consultant doesn't really cut it. Think about the problem you solve and create that positioning statement. Use the keywords and phrases in your about section. Tell your professional story. I've got a 7-step framework that I can share with you that I work with clients with. Put your contact information there. Tell your story. Use the experience section as well to unpack your story, and turn off the people also viewed so you haven't got the distractions. So that's just a quick video to communicate a few things you can do right now. There are many more tips coming, but they're the few things to work on for now. So look at your imagery, look at your branding, your words, and if you need some help, let me know. I'm very happy to help you. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day.